Today's video is sponsored by Totally Dazzled, so let's begin. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly. I have a special unboxing for you guys from Totally Dazzled. I have some new jewels that they sent me, and it is part of the Rose Gold collection. If you have not checked out Totally Dazzled, family, make sure you check out Totally Dazzled. Their link will be inside my description box. Go to my description box, click on it, go look through. You may even see something that you like. I promise you, you will. They have stunning pieces. They have anything glam, anything decor that you like and you will love. Any glam girl at heart, anyone that loves sparkly and shiny pieces, they have it all. So make sure you check out Totally Dazzled after this video, you guys. You will not regret it. This is my favorite piece. I love this cute bow. It's a bling bow. The diamonds are so beautiful. Look at that shine. And I know my camera is giving off like a gold tint, but it is really rose gold. I love that one. That's my favorite piece.